Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm gonna describe a very funny situation, how I got a free oil change unexpected on my visit to a car dealership for servicing. Like I go to authorized dealers for service. So what happened, like this time I visited for winter tires to be put back on my car, okay, and take off all season tires because we are all the at the time of winter. So I went there and I did respond at the reception. So then the discussion happened and I was told to wait. I waited, fine. At the time when everything was done, I went there and they told me to pass it fine. But when I saw that it was 200 and something dollars on the screen, I said, wait, something is not right. I told them how it could be like. I told them, like, show me the paperwork. So they showed me the paperwork. There I checked, yeah, there was a fee for tire swapping, TPMS. But then I got shocked. Oil change, synthetic oil change. I didn't ask for it. So I said, what's that? I didn't ask for it. They got shocked. Oh, what? Whose mistake? Then they did lot of follow up on something, and it was identified that out of confusion, out of their internal confusion, or you can say communication gap, they did it. Now they were looking at me and I was looking at them. So ultimately, it was not my mistake. So I was not forced to pay. And that was the right thing. Why would I pay for something that, of course, is not something that's not something that I have done, right? Nobody would do that. But yeah, because of all this confusion, I got it for free. I'm happy because now my I got a free oil change, that too less than half of the recommended kilometers I had driven. So it has extended my next oil change at least for a month and a half. Okay. So that's good, guys. But yeah, it's a funny thing. So take it light. And it's not going to happen every day. But I'm happy it happened to me. Thanks for watching.